Look at the ice on the paddle. Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're well. A year ago or so I did a video about what I wear in winter when I'm winter kayaking. Today we're out on the River Ure, it's -3-ish. So what am I wearing? Have I changed anything? I just thought I'd kind of do an update on this.
Beautiful.
So, what do I wear to stay warm when I'm kayaking in winter? We will start at the top. Head. This is a homemade woolly hat and it's very warm. You need something to keep your lugs warm. Right, I've had a Penelope piss stop. I also find around the neck these tubes come in handy because you can put them over your mouth if needs be, if you're feeling a bit cold around your chin area, and if you need a little bit more warmth around your neck. I am wearing the Atacama dry suit and it's the Crew Saver model. Had this for about 2 years now. Never faulted on me. Love it. You know, a lot of the stuff that you've seen me do where I'm testing things in the water in winter, it's all in this dry suit. Absolutely superb. That keeps your body warm. Underneath the dry suit, I am wearing the onesie that comes with it, the body warmer, and I've got a pair of leggings on and a thermal top as well. So that's underneath the dry suit. On top of the dry suit, this has changed from last year, I've become a big fan of these Gilet PFDs. I had to get one to try it, didn't I? And this is the Job one that I'm wearing. I've recently tested this, you might have seen it on the channel. I've done a flotation test, so I know it works. I like to make sure things work. So this, actually, because we travelled on bus today to get to Boroughbridge, I wore this, it was part of my clothing, and it is very warm. So it's good as a PFD, it's also good as an item of clothing. On my feet, now as well as my trusty Crocs, and inside the dry suit there are a pair of heated socks. Now I'll put a link to the ones I've been using in the pinned comment and description, and I'll also put a link to the ones Jim's been using because he's got some where you can control them from your phone, and that's not a bad idea because I've had to set these going prior to me putting the dry suit on today, which means you've got to get them going early, whereas Jim can activate his using his phone once he's got his dry suit on.
Oh, I've not switched my feet on.
Get your feet switched on, Jim. So it gives him longer usage, which is really good. Anyway, that's all I can think of. Oh, hands! I forgot hands. Still favouring the sealskin gloves. Yeah, really love the sealskin gloves. Give them a bit of a dip test. So what I'll do is I'll put a link to everything I've talked about in the pinned comment and description. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of it. Oh, and if you've got anything you want to add to this, anything that you favour, by all means let me know. Drop that in the comments. Alright, you take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.
Custody mails 1 hour 9 minutes.